Hi, so in this video I'm going to go over how you can put merge fields into your document title section on a .config, which is going to change the file name of the document. So I've got one merge field in here already. Let me put that in my copy, but I'm also going to put in another one to show you how you can use two. Let's call it current date time. Use the regular merge fields that you're used to by now. And then if I open up the, actually I'm going to copy this one into my clipboard. Then we can see I've already got one for the op name title, and it's put together like this. It's got a name, it's of type title, data source is opportunity. I've chosen the name. Now this is the opportunity object, so that's going to be the opportunity's name. And then you put the merge field in here. So let's do another one. We choose title, choose the data source, and this time we're going to use Cadmus constants. So we've got some options here. We're going to use now, and then you've got an option for formatting. Now these are intended to be used on a document, so you can see some of them have slashes in. Short version here, for instance, don't use that because it's a file. It won't let you. It won't let you use slashes in file names. And if you're using it, to save to SharePoint automatically with our collaboration butler, what it'll actually do is create a folder called 11, a folder called 3, and then a folder called 17, and put it in there. So that's not what you want. You can use custom, for instance. Let's use some advice here about how we would put a nice looking date in. I'll accept those. And let's say we want to use the name of the month, so triple capital M, and then we'll just do some hyphens for this. So let's say we want to use day hyphen month hyphen year. And then the merge field is the one that I copied in, which was, and you can see I can just start typing it, and it's going to tell me current date time, and then I can copy that into the title, press OK, save it to the server. And now if I go to an opportunity which has got the name Dickinson Mobile Generators, then if I click the quote button for the .config that we changed, then you can see I haven't downloaded it, so I've got to press this one which I've set auto download to, and you can see there 12th August 24 is part of the file name. And if you're going to use that in a different type of .config, if you're going to use that in an email type, then this will be this document title on an email type .config will be the subject line. So in a subject line, you're free to use that other form of date there with the slashes in. That's all for now. Thanks.